Hey everyone, have you checked out our latest blog post yet? We're diving into the importance of emergency power off switches and how they can save your data center from disaster. In our blog, we discuss why having an effective EPO system is crucial for preventing electrical fires and minimizing downtime. With the rise of cloud technology, data centers are booming, and the need for a robust emergency system has never been greater. Our post covers Fike's emergency power shutoff management system, centralizes controls, reducing risk and downtime. From suppression to pre-action models, we've got all the details you need on Fike's versatile EPSMS solutions. Learn about the key features that make our systems reliable and easy to maintain. Don't miss out. Head over to our website and read the full blog post and ensure your data center is protected. Remember, firealarm.com, the trusted source for fire and life safety.